In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Instagram story music is not working in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. In order to do this, first you're going to want to open up Instagram on your device. Once you've opened up Instagram, click onto the bottom right hand corner to come across to your profile, and then come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three bars to open up the menu. Next, go ahead and press onto Settings and Privacy, and what you're going to want to do from here, you should see an option for Creator Tools and Controls, or if you've got like a creator account, you want to scroll down to the bottom and it will say like Switch Account. But if you have a professional account, you want to come up to the part where it says Creator Tools and Controls. So once you press onto this, what you want to do is go down and you'll see the Switch Account type option. So go ahead and press onto this, and all you want to do is switch to a personal account. What's going to happen, you're going to get a confirmation window, so go ahead and press the red switch to personal account button, and it's just going to take a minute to change your account to a personal account. Now once that's gone ahead and changed your account back to a personal account, you should now be able to post the Instagram story and your music should be working. If it's still not working, what you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store on your device, or of course the iTunes Store if you're on an iPhone. Go ahead and search for Instagram and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Instagram. If there's any updates available, this blue button here where it says open will say update, so you want to go ahead and update that, restart your phone, and that should again fix this issue and allow story music to work. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.